Hi there! Welcome to my baking channel. Today I will show you how to make 100% oatmeal bread recipe. All you have to do is mix all the ingredients together and bake in the oven. So it takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. This bread is easy to make, but you get fluffy and flavorful oatmeal bread. So let's get started. In the bowl, place the oatmeal and milk. Mix well and let them soak about a few minutes. While the oats are soaking, preheat the oven to 180 Celsius. Once the milk has soaked into the oats, add all the remaining ingredients and mix well. Transfer the batter to a baking pan and sprinkle some oats on top. Carefully open the oven. Bake for 180 Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. I recommend let it cool down completely before cutting the bread. To check, insert a skewer into it. If no butter sticks to it, it's done. If not, cook for an additional 5 minutes. Now, your 100% oatmeal bread is ready. Enjoy with your favorite topping. This time, I enjoyed with some cream cheese and raspberry jam on top. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!